If you have connected GA4 to BigQuery and are exporting the data over to BigQuery, then this video is for you. As you might already know, there is a limit to how much data you can send to BigQuery, and that limit is 1 million events a day. In this video, I will show you a feature in GA4 that allows you to limit the amount of data that you send to BigQuery. If you are a small site, then you don't have to worry about it. However, as holiday season approaches, there might be sites that are not at their limit yet, but will hit the limit soon. So this video is going to save you a lot of headache, because if you consistently increase that limit, then your export might be paused. So if you're ready, let's dive in. Go to the admin panel of GA4 and scroll down to product links and click on BigQuery links. This is where you connect BigQuery to GA4. If you do not know how to do that, then check the description of this video for a link that provides you step-by-step instructions. Click on the BigQuery link, and this opens up the screen where you configure the details of the BigQuery link. Scroll down to the event data section. As you can see here, there is a 1 million daily limit for the event data. I'm not using that limit. However, if you are close to that limit or you expect to hit that limit, then click on Configure Data Streams and Events. This feature is generally ignored by most of the people when they are configuring GA4 BigQuery link. Click on it. That opens up a screen where you can configure the events that you want to send to BigQuery. By default, every single event on your site is sent to BigQuery. So here, the first part of the screen shows you the daily event volume. And the second part allows you to exclude certain events from the list of events that get sent to BigQuery. By excluding these events, you will be able to lower the daily event volume that gets sent to BigQuery. There are two options here. First, you can specify events by name, or you can click on Add and do bulk excludes. So let's go ahead and click on Add. Now you can see all the events that you're tracking in GA4 and the daily volume for those events. Some of these events might be test events. Some of these events might not make any more sense. They are old events, or some of these events can be recreated within BigQuery. In that scenario, you can exclude those events. For example, here, I can exclude test event and reduce the daily event volume by 1000. Similarly, I can review other events. If I scroll down right here, there is an event called High Value Lead. This is an event based on the audience group that I have created. I can recreate this event within BigQuery, so I don't have to send this event over to BigQuery. Since I'm not hitting the daily event volume limit, I am not going to exclude this event. However, as mentioned before, if you're close to the limit or are expecting to hit the limit, then evaluate all your events and create a list of events that you can remove from this list. Once you're done with that list, go ahead and check these boxes and click on Add. Now those particular events are excluded and they will be listed here. Similarly, I could have removed this event by clicking on Specify Event Name and typing the name of that event. However, I prefer using Add option. And if you have too many events, you can simply search for the required event. Once you're done, go ahead and click on Apply. And finally, scroll up on the screen and click on Save. Now your BigQuery configuration is done. And that's how you reduce the volume of the data that you send to BigQuery. This reduction also impacts your long-term storage cost in BigQuery. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment for me. Also, make sure to check the description of this video for two links. One is to a newsletter that teaches you BigQuery step by step. And second link is to all the courses that I have created for marketers and marketing analysts. These courses include GA4 and BigQuery. Go ahead and check them out, and I will see you in the next video.